My name is Joe Guerrera, and I am the owner of Citarella in New York. I've been dealing with seafood for a very long time, and I will admit it can be intimidating and it can be scary. The reason why fish is intimidating is because it's delicate and it requires focus. So now I'm going to make spaghetti vongole for you. The first step is I'm going to take some garlic cloves and I'm going to chop them fine. The garlic is what makes the dish. Without garlic, you don't have a dish. Even with the clams, but you need the garlic. It's the combination that makes it really good. This is one of my favorite dishes, if not my favorite. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little oil on the bottom of the pan. So we're gonna saute this garlic right now. You wanna brown the garlic slowly. This way, the flavor of the garlic will get infused more into the oil, the longer it takes. You gotta rinse the cockles. All right, so I just finished rinsing the cockles to take the sand off, because nothing's worse than sandy sauce. The garlic is browned. I'm gonna toss in the cockles, raise the flame, and put half a cup of wine. This way the garlic doesn't burn. And now we just have to wait for this to steam. With the browned garlic, with the olive oil, with the wine, and the juice from the cockles are going to make a fantastic sauce. While you're doing this, you have water boiling on the side to boil the pasta. I like to have spaghetti because it's a little thicker. I get more of a bite. Then to finish it, we're gonna chop a little parsley on top. Cooking seafood cooks rather quick, so it really requires the focus. It really does. And when you don't have the focus is when you get into trouble. Then you overcook it and you say, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm stirring the cockles around because some of them have already opened, and I'm trying to distribute the heat evenly because, of course, the flame's in the center of the pan, but the cockles that are on the perimeter, I would just want to mix them all up. This way they're all open. The reason why I took the cover off is because they are done. And the longer you cook them, they're gonna shrink smaller and smaller and smaller. So that's why I took the cover off. This way, they stop cooking. All right, so now the pasta's ready, and we're gonna strain the pasta. So what I just did, I saved some pasta water, this way in case I have to loosen my sauce. So now I'm gonna put the pasta in the pot and take the cockles. And now I'm just gonna mix everything up. And now we're gonna plate it. And as simple as that, you have a dish that looks like this. And you could find the recipe in Joe Knows Fish and also at Citarella.com.